What can you learn from my 5 best and 5 worst shorts? Do titles and length matter? Hang on everyone, I'm getting out of my lane for a little behind-the-scenes look and helpful hints for my fellow YouTubers. Why even make shorts when getting monetized off of shorts is not your intention because your content is much more in-depth, like mine. I've discovered 2 key points to making better shorts. Hopefully, this will help other content creators too. I'm looking for your input. After watching this video, let me know if you think I should continue making shorts to gain traction for my channel and obtain new subscribers. As a new YouTuber, striving to get monetized, I have spent thousands of grueling hours slaving over this computer, making long-form videos and shorts. Why, you might ask? Well, for me there are 2 reasons. First and foremost, I love traveling, and I love sharing my experiences with you. Second, I'm determined to get monetized. I decided to review my worst and best shorts based on view count. Of course, this isn't the only metric that YouTubers use and need to consider. This video is not only for my fellow YouTubers, but my armchair travelers to give me input. A few of my friends have been kind enough to give me constructive criticism already. Thanks, guys. I really do appreciate it and try to incorporate it. Part of starting a channel, YouTubers typically watch how-to videos to get tips from successful YouTubers who are willing to share their experience. At the same time, these guys are earning decent money helping those of us starting out on this incredible journey. For the most part, each one of them has helped me out a lot. I think Rob at vidIQ has really been an encouragement, and he's been at this for 12 years. And he often tells content providers to learn from their mistakes and keep making better videos. I'm trying, Rob. I think I am. Dan, the creator, has also had an impact on my progress, and I've incorporated many of his tips. John Scott, that guy is a real hoot, and I like his technique and advice. He is part of the vidIQ team, and he has his own fun channel, a great place for comic relief. Vince has provided one of the best components to improving my shorts. He taught me how to make subtitles. He has also provided me with some great Adobe advice. Let me share some of the metrics from my 5 best and 5 worst shorts. I gained 31 subscribers from my 5 best shorts and 0 subscribers from my 5 worst shorts. That's a big negative, since this is one of my prime reasons for making shorts is to gain subscribers. The 5 worst videos had a combined total of, catch this, 217 views. Frankly, if one of my shorts doesn't get 500 views, I consider it a flop. With a grand total of 217 views, this also lessens the odds that any of these viewers watched my long-form videos. My 5 best shorts got 20,570 views. Gigantic difference. Can we find out why? Let's figure out what I did wrong and what I did right, at least in my league. It seems that 500 and 1,000 view count are the beginner thresholds for shorts. My worst short, is that good English? I don't know if that's good English. Tell me if it's good English. Is it my worst short or worst short or whatever? Anyway, my worst short was a 54-second video entitled, get this one, Leaf Peeper Caffeine Starter Guide 2024. Wow, what was I thinking? What a confusing and awful title. This short got only 34 views. Of those 34 views, the viewers did watch 25 seconds. Not bad retention for a short, but we'll find out what that 25-second mark really means. I think the title tanked this one. My second worst short was Nighttime in Niagara Falls, Ride the Sky Wheel. This short had gotten such a bad start, I pulled it down and uploaded it again, still to get pathetic results. Only 39 views. All watchers viewed the entire 34-second video, though. This was the second longest watch time of the 10 videos I'm reviewing today. Crazy, right? So that video must have been enjoyable enough. Was it the title then? Based on my best videos, the long title wasn't the issue. What do you see that was wrong? Should I rename the short Experience the Niagara Sky Wheel at Night? My third worst short was Must See South Florida City Murals Revealed, #shorts. Who came up with that title? Was it vidIQ? Was it me? I don't know, but it's awful. It seems cumbersome. But do people choose a short by its title? I've heard no, but I think so when they are searching by topic, especially because I am a travel channel. Must See didn't grab anyone. It did have fair retention rate though, but no view count, 41 views. The fourth worst short was Happy Valentine's Day, Bougie Pooch. Maybe this title was too defining and competing against too many other Valentine's Day videos. A better title may have been A Gourmet Valentine Gift for Your Pep. This one got 48 views. Yuck. The fifth one was How Do I Get to the A in Tucson? Obviously another bad title. You would have to be a local to even know what I was referring to. Another unclear and maybe too restrictive title. 55 views. Let's look at the shorts that captured a strong view count. I'm wondering if hashtag shorts in the title is a plus? Don't know. It does show up in some of my titles that do well, but in my best one, it didn't show up at all. In my second best one, it didn't show up at all. So I'm not sure it matters. Hopefully, in this we'll find out a couple things that do matter, like title and length. My fifth top short was titled Exploring the Beauty of Jackson Square's Old World Basilica hashtag shorts, grabbing 2,005 views and 12 subscribers. I think the action word exploring and people's familiarity with Jackson Square in New Orleans were the biggest positives for this video gaining traction. This is my 11th top video of my entire channel. The fourth one is titled What a Cutie! It's a Post Office hashtag shorts. I believe the key factor of this video was not the title, but its length, 13 seconds. Did this mean people watched it more than once because it went by so fast? I think possibly. I will finish this shorts analysis with the importance of video duration. I'm almost done. Growing in number at 3 is the one I titled Incredible Wildlife Encounter. Witness a massive crocodile hashtag shorts. That is definitely a good title. It brought in 2,757 views and 4 subscribers. Not bad at all. It's a good one. I like that one. That crocodile was just right there. My number 2 short is Give Me to the Bronson Caves, Batman. The action-filled title and the name recognition of Batman for viewers of a wide range of ages, from those watching the old TV programs to the recent movie, were key. The photos of Batman and Robin helped too. It's not always easy for me as a travel channel to gain and play off trends. But when I can, I certainly need to take advantage, as we'll see in my number 1 shorts. Even though this video got the second most views of any of my videos and 4,778 views, I only got 1 subscriber. And the average viewer only watched 20 seconds. So the rest of the metrics weren't that great. Coming in at number 1 is one of my latest shorts. In fact, it caused me to rewrite part of the script for this video. The title is I Found Where the Jackson 5 Family Lived. It has 8,511 views as of Friday morning, making it my number 1 video so far. I have gained 11 new subscribers, which is not a record, but I'm really excited about the view count. Michael died 16 years ago as of this past Wednesday, so his name was in search engines, and I think that helped a bunch. I had posted the video on Monday afternoon, and it had done fine, but took off on the anniversary of his death. The video was 50 seconds long, and on average, people watched it 44 seconds, which was really good. Like number 2, the Batman one, it's all current pop culture events. I do hope that these new subscribers, those new 11 ones, will be ones that appreciate travel and history content. Since the subscriber count is minuscule to the view count, there seems to be a strong possibility that those 11 did have an interest in what I had to show. I hope. I typically get 650 to 1,200 view counts on my shorts. I think this is where the real lesson has been learned. My shorts range in length from 16 to 60 seconds. The average view duration is 26 seconds. The length of the title doesn't appear to matter, but the quality of the title does. I have concluded that the length of the short doesn't need to be much longer than 26 seconds. From this point forward, my shorts will be less than half of what I have been making, and I will be spending more time creating a strong title. I appreciate any and all comments. Please share this video with any other new content creators because we can do this together. Bare feet, on the carpet, at the edit desk, on Classic Road Trip. Please subscribe, and thanks for sharing, and thanks for your comments. I appreciate your input and your constructive criticism.